All right, in this one, it's a little bit different than what was in the instruction video that I gave you in our lecture, because this is not 3 pi over 8, this is 3 pi over 5. So when we talk about the sign of this particular function, again, think of it in terms of where it is on the unit circle. Okay, so where is 3 pi over 5? Well, how does it compare to, I know it's less than pi, because pi would be 5 pi over 5, which is pi. Now, how does it compare? Which quadrant is it in? Is 3 pi over 5 bigger or smaller than pi over 2, which pi over 2 is straight up and down, right? Well, multiply by 5 over 5 here and 2 over 2 here. You'll see that we get 6 pi over 10 and 5 pi over 10. So this is a little bit more, which means it's over here. Okay? It just helps me figure out where this thing is graphed. So this here is 3 pi over 5 right there. Okay? So it has a point right here with a y coordinate. Now remember that the inverse function is always going to return functions over here. So what angle has the same height as this point, but is in, and it's height because it's sine, but is in the first quadrant, right here. So that's what we've got to try to figure out, is what's this angle here that has the same height as this angle over here. So 5 pi over 3 pi over 5, same as 6 pi over 10, is pi over 10 more than pi over 2, right? So comparing these two right here, it's just one more pi over 10 higher, which means that's what this distance right here is, or that angle right there. So this one over here would be the same thing. So it would be, we're going to actually use pi over 10 less than pi over 2, or 5 pi over 10, which means my answer is going to be 4 pi over 10, right? One less than that number right there. But that reduces to 2 pi over 5, which is where we get the final answer for that problem. Okay, it all boils down to the fact that you're at the same height, but you got to find the angle in the quadrant, which is in the range of sine inverse.